Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Though I know that you are not very well because of the current pandemic situation for the coronavirus, and the order has been actually decreased a lot. So the reason of making this video is so many people posted in the Fiverr group, and they personally knocked my Facebook page that they are not getting enough order. So I wanted to see their gigs, so I told them to send the gig links to my Facebook page. So after analyzing all the gigs, I have seen that they are not getting orders because they cannot attract to the buyers by their gig image, by their description, by their title, uh, and uh, and their packaging and price. Though the package price is very low, but mainly I have seen the problem is behind the gig image. So today I wanted to come for in a live video, but due to the network problem I couldn't do it. So now I am recording the video for you to analyze why people are getting orders and you are not getting orders. So for that I have searched some gigs which you can see here. So there is 5 gigs. So you can tell me who is gig attracting to you. As a buyer, just think about it. So I know most of the people will say that this gig is attracting to them, and this will be the best. Yeah, this gig will be the second, and maybe this one third, this one fourth, this one fifth. So if you compare 2 gig, you can see that this gig actually attracting buyer in 3 ways. Even the buyer didn't click the gig. So if you compare this 2 gig, you can see that this guy designed the gig image very well. And second thing is, I'll do 2 minimalist logo design in 24 hours. That means he will do two logo, and he will deliver it very fast within 24 hours. But and this guy didn't mention 24 hours, and also his gig image is not that much good. And another thing is, you can compare that this guy is offering the service at a very cheap price at $5, and this guy offering it at $150. So if you just open 2 gig, you will see that this guy has 67 orders in a queue, and this guy has 1 order in a queue. So if you compare his package price, I mean what the buyer do, when they see the gig, they just click. After clicking, they will see the portfolio image, and they will read the description a little bit. The description is written very well, and they have highlighted so many important things. They have added a portfolio link as well. And if you just see their package price, you will see they will do two basic logos with 2 basic logo, but they won't offer any complex logo design. They completely mentioned that no complex or mascot logos. So that means that for the cheapest price you won't get any good service. And if you see their second package, you can see that they will design high quality logos with all the source file, with support, and they will design 5 social media cover for you at $65. You can just compare that. From the $5, they directly went to the $65. That's the tricks, that for offering a $5, they are getting clicks. If you see these 2 gigs together, and what gig you will click, on this because this gig image is right, this gig image is attractive, and another thing is offering at $5. So but this is this guy offering their service at $150. So if you when the seller get so many clicks, the Fiverr actually rank their gigs. So by offering at $5, he is getting ranks on Fiverr because he is getting so many clicks. And you can see just he just bring his client on his page, and now he is actually he's actually making him feel that you should order $65 package, because this $5 package is basic logos, and $65 package is high quality logos. Even they will give you so many things with this package, and another package they will give you like so many things, logo, the files, mock-up, social media cover, stationery design, I mean everything they are offering for the company. So when a company actually come to design a logo or service, they want the best thing at the best price. So if you see that everything he is getting within just $115 or $65, he will definitely order, and that's why this gig is getting so many orders. If you see this gig, he is just offering his service at $150. That's why he is getting very low click, so he is not ranking very well. Another thing is, he is not offering so many things at a I mean cheap price. His price is very high, but he is offering very low service. He will design one custom logo and social media design for one platform. I think it can be Facebook cover, Facebook page cover. You can see for $220 they are offering one custom logo design, and with PSD file, I mean Photoshop, not even AI. So social media design for 5 platforms is not much. They are offering very high price with very low service. Even their designed logos are not very good. If I design graphics for my company, I'll definitely order this package, because he is giving complete package within $115. Now you can compare why people are getting so many orders and why you are not getting orders. If you just compare your gig to the top rated gig in your category, if you just search, like if you search on Fiverr that logo design, or maybe you can search business card design. You will see, so those people are getting orders who has a very good gig image and offering the service at a very cheapest price. So today I will not cover so many things in this video, because after a long time I am doing this video, and this video won't be any technical things, because I wanted to show you that why you are not getting orders. So in the next video I'll show you how to design an attractive gig image, and how to write the gig title, how to write the description very well. I'll just pick the category and make the video according to the categories, so one by one. So to see these videos, please subscribe this channel and wait for the next video. So thanks for watching.